want to shift gears a little bit to focus on technology, at least the technology we focus on, which is cloud and cloud adoption. There's a couple different elements of what we call cloud, technology cloud, applications cloud, but from the business perspective, what do you hear when you advise customers, when you speak to different customers about how they think about cloud, what do they hope to gain from it, what are they, what's their impression?
I think cloud has become table stakes. I mean, the on-premise model, you and I went through that for decades, and it just doesn't scale to this contemporary world. You have to start in the cloud. So it's easy for a consultant to say, how do I actually get there? But it's table stakes.
Right. And so similar kind of follow-up, is there a certain advantage that you have as being a startup company because you have less of the legacy to move forward and the existing customers have to redo business processes?
Totally true. So yeah, I mean the problem of an install base is like God invented the world in 6 days because he didn't have an install base. I mean, it's true, and so we all have this legacy that we carry around with us, and so, but again, that's the price of having all the customers. So basically, what we have to learn how to do is honor the install base and honor the legacy commitments and incrementally and systematically make those changes.
And what we find is with more and more level of confidence and go to more as we've gained customers and matured the product, product is ready, cloud product is ready to run people's business. But I continue to emphasize with customers is it's not only the technology part, but it's a cultural aspect of change. So do you think people have internalized what that really means to move to cloud and be dynamic beyond the technology shift?
I think it's generational. I mean, the younger ones are thinking that the old guys are clueless, and some of the old guys are going, oh, if I could just hang on a little bit longer. So I do think it's cultural, and particularly for the IT team itself, because these IT technology platforms, they really are generational shifts, and so it's a little bit disorienting. For the business person is saying, I just want it to get better. And so I don't think it's as hard for the business side as it is for the IT side.
Okay. Well, you correctly earlier said that we've both been at this for decades, but I'm still going to put us in that younger generation who get the cloud.
Of course, we youth.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks a lot, Jeff.
Okay.